This tutorial will show you how to download Runescape on your PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
On your search engine or browser, type in Runescape, download. Click enter, and depending on when you're watching this video, you want to go to the official Runescape website, or you can click the third option, download. Now once opened up and loaded, you can choose to use necessary or allow all cookies, and as you can see, there's an option to download Runescape directly for Windows, Mac, Linux, Steam, iOS, and Android device. In this case, we're going to click download. And on your browser or website, you can see here that we've already downloaded it. So we're going to click open Jagex Launcher Installer. Now, since I already have this downloaded on my PC or computer, on your search engine or search browser here, open up Jagex Launcher. Now, you do need a jagex.com account for Runescape. Now, if you don't have that, I suggest creating one. And once you're opened up and logged in, you should now see on the top left-hand screen, Runescape. Right next to it, old school Runescape. And now, as you can see, we can officially play Runescape, or you are going to have to download Runescape completely for free.